being back home and like really reflecting on like how far I've come and like how proud I am of myself and like how my parents are really proud of me and like how far I've come. This is a really important video to me. Right now I'm back in New York. This is the old house that I grew up in, right? It's, I believe, like 800 square feet. This is where I grew up. This is why I learned everything. This is where I got street smart. This is where I became me. And this is the exact car that actually is still in my name that I have not driven since like September. But yeah, this is my original Ford Focus, right? 2008, it got me through culinary school. It got me through all this shit. Like, it's nuts, man. Being back home and like really reflecting on like how far I've come and like how proud I am of myself and like how my parents are really proud of me and like how far I've come. It's just like really dope. It's a really good reflection point. It's a great way to reflect. It's a great way to just say like, good fucking job to me. And I think that when you have a chip on your shoulder like I did, I had a lot of people who just did not believe in me. I had a lot of friends who did not want to fuck with me because of the decisions that I was making, trying to be an entrepreneur, trying to do my own thing. Like I literally came from nothing. And like my parents always provided the best for me and like they were always in my corner and like just really dope to see, you know, just how far I've come. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to my journey. And just like I'm going to be visiting a lot of stuff that a lot of places and things that I used to do a lot here. And it just means a lot to me. I really just wanted to post this, document this portion of my life that I never did when I was back home, back in, I think it was September. But yeah, man, just like remember where you came from. Like that means a lot. It builds structure, it builds character, and it builds who you are. And like, yeah, man, I just had a really fucking tough journey and like, I'm just really thankful. So hope you guys are, you know, expressing some type of gratitude, like for your parents, for where you grew up in, the fact that I had a house, a roof over my head, I had food, I had a place so I could always call home. Like that means a lot. And I think we take a lot of things for granted in our society. And we look at all these people on Instagram and all the cars and the watches and the fucking homes. And like that stuff is cool. But like there's never another place like home. And it's really it, guys. So peace.